Hi and welcome, I'm here today with Xiaomi Mi 11 and I'll be showing you how you can customize your notification bar. First we have to go to the Google Play Store and then look for OneShade application. Then simply install it, wait for a while. Now we can open it. Here you have to give the application following permissions: dual SIM, allow, accessibility, downloaded apps, OneShade, use OneShade, allow, then right, allow modifying system settings. Let's go back. Other permissions pop up in background. We also have to always allow. Now we can go back, notification, OneShade, allow notification access, allow, yes I agree, then show again. Now we are good to go. Now let's try changing our notifications bar color. Just go to the colors, go to background color, and choose the color that suits you, for example this shade of green, apply. And now if you open our notification bar, as you can see, its background color has changed to green. And there are many other options that you can choose from. For example, you can change the layout, change the pop-ups or add triggers. So I'll leave it up to you. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Goodbye.